Silky from Mommytravelstories, and in today's video I'm going to show you what all do I pack when I take a winter vacation or I take my daughter to a place where the temperature is expected little low. So I was traveling to Manali and I get so many requests on Instagram that I'm traveling with a child, what do I carry along with me? So I thought, why not make a video and show you my packing process. What do I keep, because winter packing is a little tricky. You need to be sure what all you are carrying with you, because the temperature is really uncertain at mountains. So let's get started. And yes, you know what you all need to do. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe, and also if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on the Instagram on the same handle, Mommytravelstories. So let me show you how the packing process starts. The first step is to make a checklist so that you do not forget to carry the things you have to take along to your trip. And do not worry, I have mentioned a brief list in the description box for you to simply copy and paste. So the next thing that I do is to check the temperature in advance. So in my mobile, I have got this app called Weather. So I check the temperature here, what is going to be the maximum temperature or the lowest temperature, whether it will be rainy or snowfall. So this really helped me to decide in advance what kind of clothes I do want to carry. So a great tip, please do check the temperature when you're traveling. Perfect one. So this is what the app is. Once you are done with the checklist preparation, you're also done with temperature checking. The most important thing now you have to do is keep in mind the layering piece. So if you're traveling to any winter vacation, layering is really important. So depending upon what the temperature is, you can keep 3 layers or 4 layers. So the first layer is a good set of warmers. Invest in good warmers, both for upper body and for lower body, like trouser or pants kind of. So I generally carry 2 warmers, and these are really soft. It's one-time investment. It goes 3-4 years. You can use it for 3-4 years. So do not forget to carry good warmers. The second top layer now is these handmade woolen sweaters just over the warmer that I make her wear. This is made by my mom, so I still use it. These are really warm because it's pure woolen made by hand. So this is the second layering that I do on her top body. I don't usually make her wear on the bottom because these are a little thick, but on the upper body I make her wear this handmade. These are sleeveless, so this is like this, and really good, still old traditional way, but I take these, I use this for entire winter, and especially when you're going to the place where the temperature is low, these are really lifesavers. Once you are secured with this warmer and this handmade woolen sweaters, you know that the child is warm. Now you can experiment and make them wear as per the fashion. So I do have these skivvies, you say, or this high neck, which I have in different color, white, pink, and you can I have this sweatshirts or sweaters. So this is a layer which goes as per the fashion. So whatever is in the fashion, you can make the child wear. So I have a lot of sweatshirts for her. I have these high neck for her in different colors. So this is basically the third layer which I make her wear. So if the temperature is not that low, so I'm okay with this 3 layers, but if the temperature is low, then comes the jacket piece. So I'll show you what all I make her wear in jacket, but these are the basically top 3 layers which I generally tend to make her wear. For bottom, I carry 2 things. First is these warm stockings that I carry for her. So if she's wearing overcoat, so these stockings go really well with overcoat and these boots along. So stockings, I have like different color stockings. So generally this time I'm carrying black and red, most safest color, goes with everything. And then I have these joggers for her. So these are really comfortable. I know, little boyish, but really good. These are fleece joggers, very soft from inside, or even warm. So and for bottoms with short jackets and all, I make her wear this bottoms, because even if beneath this she's wearing a warmer something, it's not that tight and the child is comfortable. So I carry these warm joggers with her, which is again warm. Let's see what I'm carrying for footwear. So Footwears are really important if you're going for any kind of winter vacation where you're expecting snow or even rainfall as well. I still remember I went for a vacation to a snow place and I did not carry a good footwear, and I always regretted that trip, that why didn't I carry the good one. So I now carry 3 footwears. First is this trekking shoes or snow shoes also you can say. This is I bought from Decathlon, and these are really good. These are water repellent as well, and very comfortable. So this is one thing that I'm carrying for her. I didn't get it in pink color, but I'm okay with using orange color. And the second is this again, boots. Very good for winter, warm from inside, looks very trendy as well. So you can make the child wear stockings and then an over long coat. So this is something which is used in almost all kind of winter places. And then these are like soft snuggling chappals for the room. These are very soft, warm, so inside the room the child can wear it. So these are the only 3 pairs that I'm carrying for her. Good investment once you can buy these good shoes, and will keep the feet very warm. So as my mother always says, keeping the feet warm and your ear closed, your half of the work already gets done. So yeah, now let me show you the most important thing which is needed for any kind of winter packing is the last layer, which is the winter jackets. So let me show you. I take 3 or 4 different kind of jackets for her. The first one is this jacket, which is for winters. I bought this from Decathlon. This is really warm, and it goes up to temperature of -5 degrees. So when you go to Decathlon, they tell you basically that this can be used for what kind of temperature. So this is water repellent, so even if the snowfall happens, the child will be very warm from inside. Good investment, little expensive, but definitely I just have this one jacket. So even for if she wants to play in snow, this will definitely help her. So the second jacket that I have for her is this fur jacket. This will keep her really warm. This is basically short, not a full length jacket. So this is another piece that I'm taking. And next I want to show you these this jacket. This is really lightweight. This looks bulky, but it is not at all bulky. This is made of feather, bird's feather, which is again will keep the child very warm. And the good part is that this can be easily foldable. It will be hardly for 50 grams or so, and you can fold it like this. So basically, even I have the same jacket, so you can fold it, and very good at packing, ultra light. I got this from Westside last year, and that's another jacket that I carry for her. And then I have one overcoat that I carry. I don't think so this is very warm, to be very honest, but it is fleece overcoat, and it goes really nice with this boot. So I'm carrying this again for her. And the last one is this jacket, which has got this hoodie on top. It's again very warm. So since it has hoodie and very warm, and this is another piece that I'm carrying. So basically, how many jackets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jackets that I'm carrying, and it can be clubbed and paired with anything. So this is about jackets. Now I want to show you some accessories. So basically the gloves and the different kind of caps. So I am carrying 2 pair of gloves. These are again very soft, water repellents. Again, she can play in snow. Bought it from Decathlon. And the other pair of gloves. And for caps, I generally tend to accessorize her. So this is one cap, not cap, this is for covering the ear. And one is this rabbit cap, basically, which I have for her. Another cap is this cap. This is also with fleece, very warm. I like this. I don't know what it is called, something on the top. Looks very cute in the pictures. And one is this cap, and one is this is a bandana. Basically this can be this is multi-purpose. She can use on her head also, she can use to cover her neck also. So this is another thing that I'm carrying. So I like carrying different kind of caps, even for her and even for me as well, because it completely changes the look then and there. So that's it for packing. Along with that, few key essentials is a box of medicine. I keep her basic medicine like for vomit or for any kind of mild fever or any kind of cold and cough medicine. So I keep a box always with me for any kind of emergency. And then there is this toiletry bag of her where I carry her cream, her moisturizer, her shampoo. So basically I have these travel bottles with me where you know, I take all the stuff in this travel bottles, and this is a separate bag that I've made for her. So I always carry whenever I go for vacation, even a winter vacation or any kind of a summer place as well. So these two, toiletry bag and this medicine bag, is always with me. And then I make a separate bag for her activities. So in this video I'm not going to cover because it's altogether a different bag where I keep a lot of things. So this is a separate bag that I keep for her, where I keep her books, her coloring activities. So you need to figure out what your child likes, where the child can be engaged. So while we are in room, I generally carry her colors, her favorite activity books, so, and some snack box as well. So maybe some kind of makhana or dry fruits, wafers. So if you want me to make a separate video on what's in her activity bag and in the snacks that I carry while traveling, just let me know in the comment section, and maybe the next video that I make will be on that. So that's it for today. I've already shown you how do I pack and what are the important things that I take. If you like my video, do let me know, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.